Guys, I found a new solution for the coughs since watoi siku hizi hawaponi vifua guys. So we making a cough syrup at home. You just need the lemon, you need the egg, the kienyeji egg, ginger and garlic. You just grate them, wash them well, then boil the ginger, garlic and the lemon together. You cover it, let it boil like for I think 3 or 4 minutes. Boil, then after that you can see the solution. You boil it, then you sieve in a bowl. You sieve everything in a bowl. Yeah, then after that you take your egg, your kienyeji egg, I don't know how to call it in English. You dip it inside, cover the lid, cover the container, then keep it for 24 hours. Then the following day the egg will have dissolved in the solution. Then give 1 tablespoon with honey. You can mix on the spoon, you can mix the honey. You take it like that, you mix with honey, then give your kid once a day. Thank me later guys. Thank you.